everyone. I made a air engine with cardboard and stuff. This is it really. So I've been working on it and I've had lots of problems with it. So I'll show you in detail a bit later on, but at the moment I've got it working, as it were. So I'm just gonna blow through there and see how it goes. Okay, so here we go. So this should go around. So as you can see, it works, but there's a lot of pressure there because these holes are a bit small, and so I'm still trying to fix it if I can, to make it continuously working. But it's a lovely little engine indeed. So I'll get back to you. What I'll do is I'll dismantle it and show you in bits and bobs how I've done things. But right now I just want to make sure it works properly, like even better than what it's doing now. Hi everyone, so here it is. I took it apart to show you how I put it together. First of all, the most important part was the piston for me, and I tried many different ways and I couldn't get it right. In the end I did it right. I had a paper here with shiny side on one side and not so shiny on the other side, so I used that paper for piston for slippery reasons. I've got two dowels. This is one, and I've got a 1/2 inch dowel. The 1/2 inch dowel I used to make this piston with, I guessed the length. This is about 2 inches. I didn't particularly make a particular size of length, and then I put a thick piece of wood there. Obviously I'll drill a hole there with that there, so the hole doesn't go right through to there, it just goes into this part of it, and then I glued it down. This hole obviously goes right through to the piston, so the air can go through there and push the piston out. The shiny side was good, but I had this other dowel which fitted nicely into there, so I thought, well, I'll use this one for the piston itself. So this is the housing, as it were. This is the piston itself. So I wrapped this piece of paper around this as well, and it goes nicely. I thought I'd make it with the piece of dowel itself. So there's a dowel, and I put a paper clip through, glued it down, and that was that. The way I did this is when I wrapped it around, I obviously cut it and matched it exactly right and put sellotape around it, which was quite easy and nice. It kind of kept it nicely there. This piston is not as it were tight. It is pretty loose in there, you know. The holes here, I guessed the holes. I didn't particularly have any particular thing. I just guessed the holes and made the holes there. Okay, so that's the piston, most important part indeed. So I got this, just made a rough size or whatever size I wanted to make, and I found that when I tried to put it through the card, it was flimsy. This was flimsy and this was going all over the place. So I thought of an idea to put the wood there, and when I put the wood there, it not only held this nicely, but also this was fitted nicely indeed. This obviously is from McDonald's corn on the cob. That's where I got that from, a paper clip, as you know. So if I put it together now, so this would go this way around. Of course I had to mess about a little bit here to get it right. I could put a washer or something there, but I didn't. See, it's pretty tough, tight on there, so it doesn't really, I didn't really have to glue it or anything like that, but I might glue it, I'm not sure yet, but I want to make it a bit more better, so I might have to put a weight on there to make it swing around a bit more better like this. So that's that. The piston part was a bit more difficult to find the holes, where to make them, etc. So I put this like this, and obviously the piston goes in there with this paper clip here, put it into there, and then when I got that to that angle there, I found the hole and put the hole through there, and vice versa. I did the same thing on this side as well. And after a lot of messing about, it did work. So to hold this tight against this, we don't want that going like that. Hold it tight against that. I used just a normal card, push it on, to just hold it down there like that. I mean, I could have glued it, but I didn't. And it does really work. So, let me see now. Let's try and put this back on. Right. So now, there you go. So everything is back on again, nicely, as you can see. I use a straw, drinking straw, from these little cartons you get, and I just put that there because obviously this hole goes right through, but the straw doesn't need to go all the way through, which is really good. This thickening is really good for that as well. And if you put it on different holes, it changes the direction of this engine. So it's an air engine, as it were. Hello again. I just want to show you this. I ruined the last one, which I showed you, because I tried to improve it. It wasn't really blowing properly, so I tried to improve it, so I ruined that one. And I thought I'd try, on this one, I'd try a cardboard cutout instead of this hard, little bit of hard, more heavy stuff. It didn't work, so that's crap as well. And so what I've done is I cut off the old piece there. I stuck on 3 to 4 cardboard here, right there, and I made a whole new cylinder and everything there. I made sure the holes were drilled absolutely correctly this time. I think I did it before as well, but you know, you never know. So now I made it free and loose, as you can see, and I got it to work on the balloon pump. So I'm just going to show you it working on the pump, if I can. I'll show you this side. So if I put it to there, put it this way, get it going. There you go. Can you see that, guys? I'm very pleased with that. Fantastic results there. I haven't got the pump. Just getting the initial inertia going. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.